Hello, everyone. This is a unboxing of the Kiwee broadband Mocha 2.0. Now, I've never seen anybody done a review or unboxing of this. I just got this from the mail. Anyways, so this is pretty much equivalent to a Action Tech Mocha 2.0. Fairly light, same thing. The device goes to the left. The main coaxial goes to the left, and then the one to the right goes to the device. This one goes to the router power, and this so it comes in a box with two. I'm not sure if it's a Cat 6 or a 5E. Um, Two adapters for each, and a coaxial cable for each, and you got your manual pretty much. That's about it. So I'm not sure if it's like, again, if it's a Cat 5 or Cat 6. I'm gonna just hold on. Let's double check. Hmm. Okay. It is. Doesn't say. Hold on. Let me see to the light. It's a Cat 5E. I don't know if you can see that. Focus. Sorry. It is Cat 5E. But anywho, not a big difference. It's just a few digits. The differences with the Cat 5E and a Cat 6. Um, anyways, so yeah, I'll do my full review and stay tuned.